There's no replacement for the original. Motorcraft parts are the preferred choice of Ford Motor Company. They have undergone extensive laboratory and on-the-road testing to ensure maximum performance and efficiency. They feature an exclusive patented design specifically for your Ford Powerstroke diesel vehicle. In fact, using a competitive product can put your Powerstroke diesel engine at risk. Take a look at the Motorcraft 6-liter oil filter. Only with Motorcraft can you be sure your oil filter will fit and function properly. Only a Motorcraft oil filter meets the Ford original equipment specifications. It is engineered to fit properly, is backed by the Ford and Motorcraft name, and filters all particles over 20 microns. Plus, the Motorcraft 6-liter oil filter precision fit results in optimal oil flow, performing additional functions other oil filters may not. For example, the Motorcraft oil filter engages and closes the oil drain valve to ensure all the oil enters the filtration bath. In addition, it engages the bypass valve on top of the oil filter housing standpipe. How does the competition stack up? Not well. Their designs often don't get the job done. Their filter may be too short to completely close the drain valve and properly filter the oil. It may have a removable lockable lid, which is unnecessary and unsafe. And it may have shorter locking end caps. This could restrict oil flow from the bypass valve, which could cause engine damage. Using a competitor's filter can be hazardous to your vehicle. It could decrease the life of your oil, lead to extended cranking time at engine startups and even injector failure, cause premature engine wear due to inadequate filtration of debris and particles, lead to trouble diagnosing a no-start condition, resulting in excessive and unnecessary repair costs. Ultimately, in extreme cases, these deficiencies could result in total and catastrophic engine failure. Misdiagnosis of engine failure due to using a competitor's oil filter is unfortunately so frequent that Ford has been forced to issue this special service message, warning of this all-too-common problem. It is easy to see the Motorcraft advantages when comparing a Motorcraft filter directly to its two leading competitors. By looking at them side by side, the size difference is readily apparent. Since the filter's sealing and connection to the oil filter cap and housing is critical, small changes to the Motorcraft design can lead to big problems. Let's specifically compare the Motorcraft filter to competitor A. The differences are immediately obvious. The element body for competitor A is shorter. The adhesive bonding on the competitor's end disc is not as strong as the adhesive bonding on the Motorcraft filter. The pleats for competitor A are not evenly spaced or securely bonded, and the bottom seal can loosen and detach, leaving the seal in the housing even after the filter is removed. A small difference in size and form might not seem like much until you take a closer look. As you can see, the Motorcraft filter is designed so the end cap properly fits in the oil filter screw cap. But this competitor's filter fits in the housing loosely, with a large gap between the filter and cap. This design restricts the oil flow to the bypass valve, which can potentially damage the engine. This could allow the filter to lift during operation, allowing the drain valve to open, leading to unwanted filter bypass and oil drain back when the engine is not running. That's not all. With this competitor's product, you also risk a poor bypass sealing surface. In addition, the center tube design can reduce the oil flow. Now let's compare the Motorcraft filter to competitor B. Once again, it has a smaller element size. Even differences as small as this can have a big impact on fit, function, and proper sealing. Competitor B has an additional problem. Its removable lid may come off, which can result in numerous scenarios, all of which create great cause for concern. For example, if the removable lid remains attached to the inside of the cap when installing a new filter, the new filter may not install properly. In certain situations, the removable lid is known to break into small pieces that can ultimately end up entering the engine. Remember, Your Powerstroke diesel engine needs plenty of oil to actuate its advanced injectors. It can flow up to 18.5 gallons per minute. So if your oil filter isn't doing its job, just imagine the opportunity for severe complications. The Motorcraft 6-liter fuel filter also provides plenty of crucial advantages over the competition and is designed to enhance the highly advanced Powerstroke diesel engine fuel system. First of all, the chassis-mounted Motorcraft fuel filter has a special outer wrap you won't find with most of the competition. The outer wrap keeps moisture out, pre-separating water droplets before they reach the pleated media. Filters without this separator may allow water to penetrate a filter's pleats and eventually make its way into the fuel system, possibly decreasing the life of the fuel injectors. Another critical advantage of the chassis-mounted Motorcraft fuel filter is its air bleed orifice. It is engineered to utilize the full potential of the filter pleats. This allows air to be purged from the top half of the module. Without it, as in competitor A, only half of the filter media will be used. This will dramatically reduce the fuel filter's life and efficiency. Whether replacing your oil or fuel filters or any of your original equipment parts, make sure you choose the right part for your vehicle. Motorcraft provides original equipment parts for a reason. Only with Motorcraft are you getting the parts that are engineered specifically for your Ford Powerstroke diesel engine to run efficiently for as long as possible. Remember, there's no replacement for the original.